In February 2015, Gucci unveiled this very furry shoe. I love this ridiculous thing. I can't afford to spend $1,000, but no problem. I can buy this knockoff or this one. So, which of these are legal?
Trick questions. They all are. And it's a constant fight in the fashion industry. In the US, you can protect songs.
I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks.
Movie.
What you don't know is that sweater is not just blue, it's not turquoise, it's not lapis, it's actually cerulean.
Or painting. So why not fashion design?
Knockoffs mostly are not counterfeit. People tend to conflate them, but they are not the same.
This is a counterfeit. It copies the symbol of the brand that made the original.
So counterfeit are typically illegal.
Knockoffs, on the other hand, just resemble the design of the original. That's because intellectual property law only protects some kind of design.
In fashion, the main battleground is copyright.
That is the right exclusively to copy or to distribute an artistic or literary work that is original, like...
You're wearing a sweater that was selected for you by the people in this room.
But not.
The shape of this shoe is not copyrightable. Fashion designs are typically thought as useful articles. Copyright doesn't protect useful things. It only protects artistic or literary things. Unlike a song or a movie, a shoe or t-shirt has utility as much as design.
Wait, it's art. Sort of. And now? It's a gown.
You have copyright on the painting. I can certainly have copyright on the fabric designs, but I can't have copyright on the shape of the dress.
The Subcommittee on Intellectual Property, Competition, and the Internet will come to order. The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Fashion design is intellectual property that deserves protection. We create something from nothing at all. And isn't that the American dream?
I don't agree with you, but you're very impressive in your testimony.
They say, well, we're artists and we deserve protection. The answer to that argument is at least in a state we don't tend to make decisions about intellectual property based on what people deserve it. We tend to make decisions based on what we think is healthy for creativity.
The Constitution does give Congress the right to stop copying, but only to promote the progress of creative industries. When you look at the countries across the world, you see that there's a correlation between the strength of intellectual property laws and a higher GDP. But in fashion, Springman believes that it's actually the ability to copy that promotes progress.
Fashion designer takes inspirations, as they put it, from existing design, and they do this with abandon. But this is what creates trends, and trends sell fashions. When the copying proceeds to a certain point, fashion-forward people have had enough. They jump off. They jump on the trend that copying has helped set.
If you look at the prices of fashion goods over time, what you see is that the top 10% of fashion goods in terms of price, the price of these is going up and up over time, whereas everything else, the prices stay stable, may falling a bit over time. It doesn't seem like competition from knockoffs is disciplining the price of luxury stuff. What seems to be happening in the fashion industry is what's happening in America and indeed the world. The rich are getting richer disproportionately, and the clothes they wear, as a result, are getting much more expensive. The people who make those clothes, the company that makes those clothes, are profiting.
New technology and the speed of production has amplified the two views on knockoff.
Today, digital images from runway shows in New York can be uploaded to the internet within minutes and be copied and offered for sale online within days, which is months before the designer is able to deliver the original garments to stores.
The practice was not handed to us by God or by law. If the industry at the high end was very concerned about the speed of imitation, the practice would change. It isn't.
So it's hard to protect fashion designs because it's not obvious that protecting them promote progress. And from a legal perspective, that's all that matters. Even though to the artist, that's not the only thing at stake.